Hey everyone, I just thought I'd start this video off having a little fun.
Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I know I'm vlogging again as I'm getting ready, and I am using my clarifying lotion right now. I just colored my hair, and yay, I'm so glad it needed it so badly. I need to go get my nails done. I don't know if I'm going to do that today or not, but I hope I decide to. I need to finish making my coffee bar too. I've been working on that yesterday and getting it almost done, so I need to finish that and then hopefully set it all up. That would be a nice treat. The weekend has gone by much too quickly. I know it's only Sunday morning, but it's Sunday morning already. Oh, deodorant time, sorry. So, hope you guys have had a good week. It's been a weird week, so I haven't vlogged like I like to. And this coming week is going to be no exception. I have to go to a different hospital for some of it, and some of it's going to be on the weekend, and it's just going to be a little crazy. So, I will vlog when I can and when I think of it, so you guys will know what's up. Today my plans are, that's a good question. What did I want to, I haven't even done my plan with me's, which is totally bizarro. So I do need to get those done. Finish the coffee bar. My husband is at a boat show or something like that with his uncle. He just left. And Alex is at his friend's house. And Katie is safely tucked away at Taylor. I checked this morning to make sure that everyone was all right. You know how mamas are. And so I have some time just for myself today, which is kind of nice. And I should take advantage of it and go get my nails done. But, you know, that's kind of time I can have for myself anytime. So I'm kind of thinking I want to do stuff here because that's the time I don't always get. You know, and it's not a big deal anymore. My kids are older and my husband is helpful, and, you know, but I still crave the alone time. I don't know if any of you guys are like that, but I like having just time for me to do whatever it is that I feel like I need to do or want to do or whatever. So that's nice. And then I think Alex is going to bring, or Alex and his girlfriend Erin are going to come over tonight, and she's going to help him study. He doesn't love his math, and she is really good at it, and she's really helpful. So they'll do that, and then I think I'm going to make dinner, and I'm hopefully going to do a Foodie Friday video on it, but it probably won't air, that sounds so funny, for a while. But I'm hoping to make meatballs, and they are so good, guys. If I get this recipe done for you guys, if I don't this time, I will. But I plan on doing it this time, so I might even do it while everybody's gone and have them ready, or at least have the recipe mostly done, because a lot of it is just them simmering and the sauce simmering because it's so good. I found it online one time, and it is like it was the best meatballs I've ever made. So they were fabulous. And I like meatballs. I like any kind of meatballs. Like I would even eat the, yikes, I need to clean my brushes too. I would eat the kind that comes in a bag. Those are fine. I don't have any problem with those. But these, out of this world. And I think that's fun. Gosh, I still can't believe I haven't done my plan with me's. Now that I'm thinking about it, I'm getting a little nervous about it. Because the week starts tomorrow. I picked it up and threw it on the floor. My eyeshadow base. So yeah, I need to get that done, don't I? I'm really just, I don't know. It's like I'm not in a hurry to do it. I don't know why not. I like it. And I have really cute spreads, so I don't know what my deal is. I think it's just that I want to do other things. Like I want to do that coffee bar, and I even want to go work out. And I'd rather do that than do my plan with me. I even have a couple unboxing things that I need to do, and I've had them in my room for days, and I haven't done them. Just because I haven't been in the mood to sit there and do it. Isn't that kind of weird? I don't know. Are any of you guys like that? Tell me you are. I can tell I need some protein. I haven't had any all day. Well, I woke up and did my hair, so it's not like I've had anything. I haven't even had any water or anything yet, but I need some of both. I need some water and some protein. And probably in that order. So my weekly schedule for this week is Monday I'm going to go to the office. Tuesday I have an off-site meeting all day. Wednesday is back at the office. Thursday is at a different facility. Friday is at the different facility, and I am staying the night in a different, in this other city, the 9th and the 10th. And then I check out on the 11th, which happens to be my birthday. So that's going to be kind of weird. And then maybe I'll take a couple of days off next week to, I don't know, and then I'll probably work a lot at the other facility. It's like an hour and a half away, so that's why I got a room. I don't know. I wasn't even going to put on makeup, but here I am. Because I don't know that I'm actually like leaving the house today. I do need to get a car wash too. Oh, and my nails, so maybe I will. We'll see how it all works out. I could get my nails done tomorrow. So I don't know. Depends on how I'm doing here. Brow power. I don't even want to try that right now. I don't know why I'm looking at different things. Just because it's fun. Alex, I think now, is leaning toward going to IUPUI, which is in Indianapolis, and commuting, because he is all about saving money right now. That's what he's thinking. So that would probably be the least expensive option for him. And he's talking about wanting a new car. So he was saying he could still work at his job and go to school. So I think that's what his plan is right now, but he changes his mind so frequently, it's almost crazy. Okay, so I am going to blow dry my mop, and I will be back. Okay, so my hair is dry enough. I don't like to dry it too much. But there's no such thing as too much spray. I often say I still use hairspray like it's 1983, and I know people think that's funny, and I think it's funny, that's why I say it. This little thing, I don't know what it wants to do. Well, it wants to go over here, so it will just stay over there. I don't care. Okay, so I think this is as good as it's going to get today. I'm ready to go downstairs and get some water. Well, Crystal Light is what I'm going to pick. And I'm going to get probably a vanilla or a strawberry protein shake. And I may start working on the coffee bar. I have a hair. May start working on the coffee bar and then do my plan with me's. I know I need to get those done, but it doesn't sound very exciting right now. I have something black on my nose. All right. There we go. All right, well, I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
I think this is a great look. What do you think?
I don't know, this one's pretty cute too. You gotta love a little mouse. With a halo made of stars. Perfect. This one is funny. I want to hear what my voice sounds like. Wah, 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 wah. I'm trying to figure out what's on my ears. I can't tell what that pattern is. Maybe it's flowers? I don't know. Whatever it is lovely.